Shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna, shorty wanna.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so basically I'm gonna give you guys a hair review of this hair, and this is called Lovrio hair extensions. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is it. Hold on. This is an upcoming company that reached out to me, and they were like, can you review my hair and blah blah blah. So I was like, of course, because why wouldn't I? This is clip-ins. We do love clip-ins. And I didn't take it out the package yet because I want to like kind of show you guys the whole packaging and everything like that. So when you open up the box, you get one pack of hair, and of course you can buy more packs, but they only sent me one pack. Y'all know I ain't that big on YouTube yet to be getting all them packs of hair. Okay, and then they also sent, if you guys can see, a comb and some hair clips, and then or one hair clip that says Lovrio hair, Lovrio hair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but and then also they sent me two extra clips. There's also like a little pamphlet inside. Their motto is looks so natural, it has to be yours, and I love that because I think that just captures like the essence of hair clips in general. And yeah, that's the whole point, to make it look like your hair. Okay, so I ended up getting the 18-inch kinky straight. Like I said, it's 18 inches. I'll leave the price on the screen. Boom, this is the hair. Oh my god, so this is one full pack. Do y'all not see how thick this is? Like, hold on, I don't think y'all really seeing how thick this is right now. So this is the 18-inch, and I mean, this is just one pack. And knowing me and my hair, when I get bundles, I never use a whole 3 bundles anyway. I always use probably like 2, and I can safely say that this is, I would probably want it a little bit more. So I think if you guys are trying to purchase, or thinking about purchasing their hair, I would definitely go for 2 packs just to be on the safe side. But anyway, you really only need 2 packs, because look at this pack. It's like super full. It's full from top to bottom, like it. So in terms of how the hair smells, the smell isn't like super strong, but it's there. You know what I'm saying? It's like there. Like, you could tell it's there. Now let's get into how it feels. It feels so soft. Oh my god. Like, I don't know if I ever had hair that felt this real and soft. Like, it literally feels like human hair. I don't know if I'm making sense to y'all right now. I'm in love. Okay, I just want to go get it installed, come back to y'all. They have like a yaki straight, which is just way straighter, but I'm glad that I decided to go with the kinky straight because I think this matches my hair texture even better than the yaki straight. Oh, let's get into shedding too. I totally forgot. We gotta do the shed test, period. Okay, I got like no strands, one strand. So yeah, it seems like to me it's pretty good on shedding. I got about 1 strand out of all of me putting my fingers through. Natural hair does shed, so y'all be trying to get bundles that don't shed at all, and that's like so unrealistic. You want to get bundles that barely shed. Okay, to find bundles that don't shed at all, like, put me on. Like, comment down below where y'all get y'all hair from, because every hair kind of sheds. Okay, so it looks like it comes like this with 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. That's one of them. Here's another one. This is a 2-clip one, and I'm just taking it out this little spiral that it came in. Here's another 2-clip. Here's a 3-clip. Here's another 3-clip. I don't know why I'm getting so excited, but I'm so excited to get this installed. And then, oh, it comes with a 1-clip. And then it comes with another 2-clip. So this is the hair, and it's so amazing. Like, y'all, I would not lie to y'all. I would not show you guys anything that I wouldn't wear myself. So when I'm telling you guys, my first impression of these clip-ins is I'm serious. Okay. All right, y'all, bye. What's up, y'all? I'm back. So basically this is me wrapping up this whole hair review, and I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, what I think of it. I finally got it installed, and yeah. Okay, so let's just do a little recap. This is Lovrio, I'm so sorry how I'm pronouncing it, but this is these hair extensions, but they are hair clips, okay? And I already showed you guys what came in the box and everything like that. So got the hair installed. I'll give you guys kind of like the best 360 I can give you. And then I know that my hair isn't like super bone straight like it is, but it could probably be like a little straighter. But I'm not really worried about it because I'm gonna have to like straighten it again. Yeah, basically I'm gonna finish telling you guys like how I feel about this hair and everything like that. I love it so much. When I tell you guys, this was my first time trying hair clips or hair extensions that were clips, but like, or clip-ins. I don't know what I'm doing the most, but this is my first time trying clip-ins, and like I really love this. Okay, like my stylist was doing my hair and she was like, this is some good hair. You know when your stylist say something like that, like this is good hair, girl, you know that you copped you something good for real, because they know hair. They do hair every day, so they know good hair. So when she told me, I was like, yeah, I gotta tell my subscribers, like, go get this hair, y'all. The best clip-ins. Y'all probably think this is my real hair. Like, look at it. I mean, it's just amazing. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp, and it blends really well. Some people, I was watching a lot of YouTube videos, and they literally just like clipped it into their hair, like they parted their hair any type of way and they clipped it in, and that's cool. But my stylist, she didn't do it like that. She wanted to give me like more like durability, so she braids across my head like horizontally, and that's how she put them in. So yeah, I mean, I didn't really care how they were placed in, I just wanted them in. But yeah, y'all, so that's that. I love this hair. I'm so in love. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 10 for right now. Like, I don't have anything bad to say like about this hair at all. So out of 10, I'm gonna just go ahead, give it a 10. I think it's worth a 10. But yeah, I'm really feeling myself. Got the baby hair laid. I don't know if y'all peeped, but I don't know if y'all peeped, but no, if y'all peeped. But yeah, y'all, so Lovrio hair, they got the best hair extensions. Oh, and this was only one pack. I think I mentioned that in the beginning, but this was literally only one pack. So if you want like something super full, baby, you only need 2 packs. I think it looks great how it is. Okay, just one time for the fun time. Y'all see this? I know I'm doing the most, but I really like this hair, and I hope y'all purchase this hair. Speaking of purchasing this hair, the link will be in the description box, so go check it out right now. The hair also comes in other textures, all right? So if you like honey, kinky straight ain't gonna match my hair texture. Girl, they got other textures, okay? Just make sure on Amazon it says Lovrio hair. Make sure it says this company, and you're straight. And the reason why I'm saying that is because there's other clip-in companies on Amazon, so you want to make sure it says this company. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support on my channel. Yeah, and I've been getting like subscribers and stuff. I've been meeting a lot of people that have been subscribing, so thank you guys so much, because without y'all, what would be the point? What would be the point? I'm always getting dramatic. But anyway, I think I'm pretty much done because I'm tired and I'm ready to go to sleep. No, I'm really like tired. I'm ready to go to sleep because I had a long day, and at this point I'm rambling. So go purchase this hair, go get this hair. Like, look, y'all, let me get close so y'all could see. Like, yes, like I said, it's not super straight. Like, I could get it straighter, if I want to. But like I said, I'm not really worried about it because I'm about to go to sleep and it's gonna mess up anyway, because I don't wrap my hair, which might be bad, but I don't know how people be doing it. I don't be doing it. All right, but anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel, and be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and be sure to go purchase this hair. The model is looks so natural, it has to be yours. And it's so true, like it gotta be mine. Like it looks so natural, okay? It gotta be my hair. But anyway, I'm doing too much. Bye y'all, I love you guys, and yeah.
Picture me chiefing some exotic chronic in Cali. Rihanna right beside me in my 2019 Ferrari. Top down, speakers louder than the marching band. Shades on, got me feeling cooler than a fan. And now my music is every